Good day, welcome back to DIECAST Domination. This is Dev coming to you. Thank you so much for tuning in my session. God bless you all. Now, in today's session, I have something thrilling and exciting to showcase for you. This is a 1/64 scale Nissan Showroom Diorama by G-Fence, none other than the best in the game. And this one is a 2024 production going into 2025 as well. So, if you can get your hands on one of these, please do so, because this will not disappoint you. So some of the special features that G-Fence provide are by far the best. LED lighting, parking lots, structured trees, and also inside the building there's detailed walls, structured glass in the front covering the entire building, protecting your cars for a nice display as well. So this thing works as a display, as a diorama, or as a toy for you. I still play with cars, not the way that I used to play back in the day, but now the game is different. It's a more structured diorama layout with more professional models and hobby grade models that are not your Hot Wheels, and very precisely made layout that'll probably make you very happy. So in today's content, my goal is to make you happy and myself as well at the same time, so the community keeps going. I hope you enjoyed the session. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon too, so you don't miss future content. Let's go!